Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to grab a still in Davinci Resolve 18. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to grab a still image from a video in Davinci Resolve. And in this video, I'm going to provide you a step-to-step guide to get it done. So the first thing, just open your Davinci Resolve and load the video clip into timeline. Then go to the color tab by clicking on the color workspace icon at the bottom of the workspace. Then select the desired frame from the video clip by moving the playhead to a specific frame you want to capture. After that, right click on the frame in the preview window and choose grab still from the drop down menu. Then go to the gallery on the left hand side of the colors workspace. You will see the still image you can just grab. Right click on the still image in the gallery and choose export. Then choose the destination folder for the file name for the image and make sure to select the PNG or the JPEG as the file format. Then click on export. Then the image will be received on your computer, and that's it.